So hey guys, today we are going to discuss about the quarterly result of two stocks. One is Tata Consultancy Services and the another one is guys Tata Elxsi Limited, right? So let's start. So at first I have opened the tab of Tata Consultancy Services from bse.com, which is the website where you guys can also download the sheets of the balance sheets or quarterly results, where you can also do some fundamental analysis before buying any stocks, right? So as we can see that I have already downloaded the Tata Consultancy Services Limited quarterly result, and which is in front of us. And as you can see that September 30 2025, which is the latest result, which is 66,666, which is the total income, which is a bit greater than the previous quarter, and as per yearly, which is 64,988, there is a little bit of jump. As you can see, as it is a large cap company, this little jumps can be been told as a quite good move by the company, because we can see that there are huge potential in small or mid cap, which means there is a difference between profit sharing and revenue of previous quarters or the previous years or previous month or half yearly, like that. But in large cap companies you can't find such drastic movement or drastic move in always in stocks, right? So that's how we've been discussing it for a long time, and that's how I am also been teaching you guys for a long time, right? So let's discuss it. So there is a bit of a enhancement in total income, and the total expenses, as I can see that it has also increased from last quarter, which is 49,000. the last was 48,000, and the previous was also within 48,000 range, little bit touching the 49,000. And the total tax expenses, profit before tax, and we can see the profit for the period, right, which means profit after tax, which is near about 12,131. Okay, then profit and loss, etc, etc, dividend, total reserves, total other comprehensive income, total comprehensive income for the period, right? Here the net profit. Where is the net profit, guys? Profit before tax. As I can see, profit for the period. Okay, this one is the right thing. So as I can see that compared to previous quarter, which means for the quarter of June, which was 12,819, this quarter there is a little bit of a fall in profit, which is 12,131, which is not a big issue, because at the end the yearly result which is matters. But as I can see for now on, that the yearly result is a bit of a upward movement. In the last time it is near about 12k, which means 12,000 crores, and now it is 12,131 crores, right? So there is a bit of a movement right here. As I can see that the total dividend is 11, which was announced right here, and the total equity shares percentage was also given. What is the EPS? Let's see the EPS, guys, as earnings per equity share, which is 33.37, a bit lower than the last quarter, but it's a bit up than the yearly basis. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the TCS result, and if I search it here in the Google, TCS, right, as you can see that today it has already given up to 1%. For a large cap company, 1% movement is a bit good one. And if I see for 1 yearly, if you can see that the stock is near about 28% down, and now it is giving a little bit of momentum, right? The IT sector is now a bit of a tragic movement. In this scenario, if someone is giving a little bit of return, which can be considered as good returns, and the results were also not dissatisfactory or even satisfactory, it was a bit of a okay type situation, right? So let's see what is the Tata Elxsi is doing. So as you can see, guys, the total income is 96,000 for this quarter, which was a bit greater than the last quarter, the 93,000 range, and it is a bit again lower than the previous year, which was 1,01,000, right? 1,01,939, which is a bit lower than the previous year. So the total expenses, let's see, which is 75, a bit bigger than the expenses. If it increases, which is bad, I have told you, and if the income get increased, then it is good. So the expense got increased from the last quarter, which is a bit bad, and it also get increased from the last year, which is also a bit bad, because it will affect in the net profit. Now the net profit here, as I can see, which is 15,481, which is greater than the last quarter but lower than the previous year, which is bad. Okay, now as I can see that the EPS also dropped down, which is 24.85, and previously 23.18, which is the last quarter, and last year it was 36.84. okay, so if I check the Tata Elxsi, we all know that why from 2020 it has a tragic movement, which was 1139. It is not a multi-bagger stock, it was been a huge multi-bagger stock, right? Now why this tragic movement happened in the stock? It was because of the semiconductor boom, right? I have already discussed in my previous videos in the semiconductor. Now as I can see that the stock is a bit down. If I check the past years or 5 years, the stock is down till 45%, right? The stock was already down, as I can see here, which was 51.67. the stock was already near about 52% down, which is a great sign to buy. But as I can see that Tata Elxsi is a mid cap company, right, which is 34,000 crore market cap. We always have to look keenly, right, at the quarterly results, because what will happen, what kind of orders this company is getting, right? A boom has happened, which was good, everyone has made money, no issues, but we should not get trapped because of the valuation. We always need to look at the valuation. If we are buying at a lower price, which is good. If we are buying more at a lower price and averaging it, good. But if it is drastically getting decreased, then it will be bad for us to average again and again and again in the same stock, right? So we have to fetch the right amount, the right valuation. Everybody will not be able to do that. In fact, nobody will be able to do that. The right valuation we don't know, but at least try to buy a stock. We can at least try, right, at a fair price, which is not over expensive or under expensive, as I have already taught you guys in the BSE Limited. As you guys can see that the BSE has also given some good movement today, which is 3.91%. I will definitely discuss in the next video. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Definitely the comment section is open for you guys. Definitely comment below that how do you like this video, what enhancement do you need, what extra do you need. Okay, and do let me know what do you like about this video and what you did not like about this video. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, guys. Bye bye.